The Midwest is also taking a beating. As you can see, parts of Kansas and Iowa have also picked up hail. But rain is the main risk. We'll track the flood threat next on Your Weather Today.
Good evening, I'm Sharon Resulton.
And I'm Rick Johnson. This is Weather Channel Evening Edition, and we have seen some large hail coming down in the plains already as these storms have fired up Tuesday in Kansas. Look at the hailstones bouncing on the ground there. Storm clouds will also pack heavy rain and that threat of tornadoes. Sharon has a little closer look at what's in store for you.
Yeah, you know, we're tracking the storm, and as we go on into your midweek, more rain
and also some hail. This is in parts of Kansas. You can see some of the hail falling here. We actually, though, had areas with golf ball size hail. That fell in Finney County, and that's where Garden City is located. You also can see more of these storms today, but the biggest threat, as Marcia was saying, is going to be coming up next. And severe reports stretch from Minnesota to Texas on Tuesday. Find out where tornadoes and hail made an impact and where you can see more today. That is all coming up after your local on the 8th.
Weather Channel Evening Edition, and we've seen some more large hail covering portions of the plains. And look, the hailstones pounding on the ground here. These aren't that large. This is mostly like Peter Marble size hail bouncing off the pavement here over Finney County, Kansas. The storm clouds also packing heavy rains. Also, the threat of tornadoes as we go right into your Wednesday. Sharon has a closer look at what's in store.
The Midwest is also taking a beating. As you can see, parts of Kansas and Iowa, well, they picked up hail as well. But rain is the main risk, as much as 6 inches in some places so far. We'll track the flood threat next on Your Weather Today.
Lightning, strong winds, and hail. And, of course, this is in Kansas. Golf ball size hail also fell in Finney County, and that's where Garden City is located. You could see more storms today, but the biggest threat will be to the south. In fact, some of that picking up. And we've been watching some of these areas like here in Kansas. Now, this is Finney County where you see some of the hail dropping here. We actually had some areas with even larger hail than this. Well, don't be surprised if we see more of this in and around Kansas and southward for today. And, of course, on the northern end of the